Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video is part of a collaboration for the Freehand Gone Wild group. This month's theme was Filigrees. Off camera, I applied a Beetle's gel polish to 3 of the nails in 2 coats, curing for 60 seconds in between each coat, and applied a black glitter to the other nail. I'll also be using our Artistro acrylic paint pen to apply the filigrees to the nails. I'm going to go ahead and pop on some music now and let you sit back and watch the rest of the video, and I'll be back in a moment. I accidentally deleted part of the video showing me applying the matte top coat to the 3 nails. So here's my finished set. I'm going to add the playlist link in the description box. It's for all the other ladies who participated in the collab. So go on and check out their videos and show them some love and support. I want to thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my content. And if you're old here, thank you for returning. If you could also please like and leave a comment. It really does help out my channel a lot. See you next video. Bye.